Hello and welcome to Aurelian University. In this video we're going to talk about assignment operators. So really quickly, an assignment operator is an operator that performs a function and then assigns the result to a variable. So we're going to talk about assignment operators that work mathematically. A lot of these can be also used for things like strings. But for now we'll talk about mathematical uses. So I have a number here, 1, assigned to a variable. This operator here, this plus equals, will add 1 and then assign the result back to the variable. So this would be 1 plus 1 will be assigned to number, so that would be 2. Now it will subtract 1 and assign the number to the variable, so it will assign 1 to the variable number. Then here it will multiply the number, which is now 1, by 4 and assign the result to the variable number. And here it will divide the number, which is 4, by 2 and assign the result back to the variable. So I'm going to run this just so you can see. Oh, sorry. Remember to cd into the correct folder. Until we get what we'd expect. So first 1, then 2, 1 again, 4, and then 2. And remember, this can be a decimal because division will handle decimals fine. So in our next video, we'll probably talk about bitwise assignment operators. But for now, this is the basic principle here is that an assignment operator does something to a number or does something to a variable and then assigns the result back to the same variable. So it's not just floating out in space, it goes back into the same variable.